Hi, I'm Tejinder Singh, representing Zeeba Basmati Rice in Annapoorna exhibition in Bombay today. And as you know, Zeeba Basmati Rice is a product of Suppletek industry, which is a 4-star export house. And we are the market leaders in Basmati rice, and we are exporting almost 500,000 tons every year, and exporting to almost every country except North Pole and South Pole. So I would like to tell you something about my brand. It's Zeeba, which we have recently introduced in Indian market. In very short time, in a very short span, that is just 2 years, we are all across the Indian territory, and in almost every major cities we have our distributors, and it is well placed. And now we are foraying into modern trade also. Our product is available at Metro Cash and Carry, and now we are hopefully it will be a well-known brand in 2 or 3 years. We are waiting for that. Regarding the quality, I'll tell you, these are the longest grains. This is 1121 Basmati, which is a wonder grain. When you boil it, the 8.4 mm grain swells to 22 mm average length, which gives a beautiful platter and aroma and flavor. That is the special thing which we boast about our product. And regarding, you asked me about the challenges being faced in our industry. There are so many challenges. One is the GST. GST is creating a lot of trouble to us. The reason being, there's 5% GST on branded food products, which doesn't allow us to play a competitive role. And government should provide a level playing field for everyone. 5% GST makes our product expensive, so it becomes difficult sometimes, for at least for new brands. Government should promote the quality branding. Promoting branding means promoting quality, and it should not be downgraded by imposing 5%. So this is the major challenge we are facing in our industry, and I think government will listen to it. Thank you very much. Yeah, here I am Tejinder Singh, and I am voice of food industry.